taking your light fittings with you. Hi, I'm Karen Smith from Bright Spark Electrical Services, based here in Tunbridge and Tunbridge Wells. With over 12 years of experience and as proud members of the NIC EIC, our team of skilled electrical engineers are dedicated to keeping your home safe, bright and beautifully lit. Today, I'm going to talk about a common question we get asked. Why should I consider taking my light fittings when I move? Your light fittings are more than just fixtures. They're personal touches that reflect your style and personality. Reusing or reinstalling your light fittings into your new home can preserve that sense of continuity, but removing a light fitting isn't as simple as unscrewing bulbs and packing them away. It involves electrical wiring, safety concerns, and making sure everything complies with the electrical safety standards to BS 7671. Let's explore the challenges. Ceiling light fittings are connected directly to your home's wiring. Sometimes they can pose risks if mishandled. When these fixtures are removed, these are replaced with a simple pendant light fitting and low energy LED lamps. With wall lights, the cables are often terminated into small junction boxes, known as chocky boxes. They're designed to safely contain the connections from your wiring. Some fittings are vintage or custom made, making standard replacements tricky, and the process of reinstalling or repairing electrical connections in your new home requires a specialist touch. So what's the safest way to remove and handle your cherished light fitting? Step 1. You need to engage professional electricians because we're trained to disconnect and handle electrical fixtures safely. Step 2. Safe removal process. This involves turning off the electrical supply at the fuse box, carefully disconnecting the wiring and securing those connections in junction boxes so nothing is left exposed or unsafe. We also ensure the cables are neatly capped if you want to store your light fittings. Step 3. Protect and store your light fitting. Once removed, we lay down your light fittings carefully, especially the vintage or fragile ones, so you can protect them in bubble wrap or boxes so they're protected for your move. Thank you for watching. I trust that the video has been of help and of interest to you. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to our YouTube video channel and hit that little notification bell so you get told when we release future videos.